Hello, friend. We'll just start in a minute, waiting for some more participants to join. Thank you for joining. Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining webinar. Hi, this is Vikash. So we'll be discussing today about markets and open interest. So how many of you are watching open interest regularly? Hope everybody is watching open interest regularly, or am I audible, friends? Can you just yes, okay. Punita Sthanali. So did you monitor something that has happened after a month? Have you monitored something from F2 that has happened after a month? There was so many news regarding to COVID and all. There was Modi coming in live. There was discussion on interest rate by RBI governor, but still market headed towards North Pole. It's headed towards upward only. So did you realize what is the major reason of rising market? Anybody in the group? So we'll directly start with open interest data, so that we can understand what is happening in the market, how data is giving us little bit of direction that where market is going to head. Yes, somebody has written on chat. F2 negative in cash, but so positive in options, not so negative in options. No. So we only see option data. We do not look at cash data. Okay, cash data are for a long-term view, first of all. So cash data doesn't have that much of impact on market for shorter period of time. For shorter period of time, we mean to say for 15 days, 1 month. So cash data doesn't have that much of impact. Okay, so that is why, just a second. Yeah, so let us look at what is the data, what has data shown. So those who are, I think hardly there are new. Most of you have attended our webinar earlier also. Anybody who is attending this webinar on Nifty first time? Anybody in the group who is attending this webinar for the first time on Nifty? Everybody knows what is open interest, how we calculate open interest, why open interest is so important. Okay. Yes, we know. Thank you, Ajay Goyal. So everybody knows it. Okay. So let us straight away go to open interest data. So friends, if you look at open interest data, it is right now coming as buy bias. Okay. Now, if you click on check data, because this will help us to understand what is happening in the market. So friends, as we all know, F2 and Pro are major participants who give direction to the market. Anybody who doesn't know this now with the data? Okay. No issue, Sauri Thampidi. You can have multiple doubts. We are here to solve them. So friends, F2 and Pro ही सबसे major player है market के, और they decide the market direction. Now what is happening? But out of these two people, F2 and Pro, F2 create major impact on market. F2's position create major impact on market. Can anybody say this? Why does this happen? I've unmuted everyone. If you can say that F2 and Pro give the market direction, but F2 decide market, has great impact on market direction. Why such? Can anybody tell me who has earlier attended webinar? Anybody, if you can unmute yourself and can share this understanding with me, or should I? दोनों F2 और Pro इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट F2 का डेटा कभी कभी मार्केट डायरेक्शन जानने में और ज्यादा पावरफुल होता है. क्यों? रीजन क्या है? हाई कैपिटल. ओके. एनीथिंग एल्स? वो तो है ही, वो तो बिकॉज ऑफ हाई कैपिटल तो है ही, बट व्हाट इज अदर रीजन?
Major player.
Big player. Okay, that's okay. Okay, what did somebody said?
The news reaches them first.
Yes. Who said this? News?
Me, Sendil.
Yeah. So Sanjay ji, news come to F2 first, and
Yes.
Pro is the first to follow that. There are 4 participants: F2, Pro, D2, and client. Okay. Now the information first flows to F2, and immediately Pro react on that information, react on the movement of the F2. Pro react on the movement of the F2.
Who are the Pro?
Pro are the proprietary arbitrage houses.
Achha.
Pro are arbitrage houses.
In India, can you name some arbitrage houses?
Here, Dynamic is we are the one of the arbitrage houses.
Okay.
There are lots and lots. Motilal. In fact, most of the every big broker is doing arbitraging. India Infoline. I hope everyone is doing. I have gone to several brokerage house. Everybody is doing arbitrage.
Largely brokerage houses.
Yeah, exactly. Those who are direct NSE brokers, so
Okay.
they have client business as well as arbitrage.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, exactly, Ajay Goyal ji. So Pro react immediately after. Why Pro react immediately? Can anybody tell that? Why Pro react immediately as soon as F2 take position? Pro क्यों directly इतना fast decision ले पाते? No.
To give the momentum to the FFI.
No. Because they are present in the market 24/7. Like not 24/7. During market hours, they are in market. So they are stock market or trading is their bread and butter. So if they are in the market, as soon as market react with huge volume, either downside or upside, they create their position accordingly. अगर मार्केट में वो लोग F2 के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते, they are only looking at, okay, somebody has made position with huge volume on upside, so they will just go with the upside trend. Somebody has created position with downward trend, okay, let's create downward position. So this is how the movement take place. Okay, so अभी क्या होता है कि इन दोनों का पोजीशन जानना बहुत जरूरी होता है. Both has not equivalent exactly, but both has power of money, because there are 30, 40, 50 brokers like such who are trading. So F2 and Pro both become very important. Now, now tell me one. Now I want one answer from everyone. This is very important part of this session. If F2 has not sold in the market, listen this very carefully. अगर F2 ने market में sell position create नहीं किया है, and Pro somehow has created sell position, will market go up or down? Anybody? Will market go up or down? F2 has not created sell position, but Pro has created sell position. Will market go up or down? What is the chance? Basically, there is always chance, because in fact, if both create sell position, it has happened sometime that market has gone, if they have created sell position, market has gone up. So that is something different understanding, but that happens 1 or 2 times out of 10. But
it can react for some time, maybe.
yes,
After that, it will follow the FII.
perfectly answered, Rupali ji. Great.
Yeah,
So what exactly it does? Pro, that means if they has created sell position like F2, like why I'm talking this, because I want to show you recent data. Okay, now why, let's see. So anybody can tell me ki F2 are short in market, they are short in market, तो कितना position के ऊपर they are short in market? We have discussed this several times. Can anybody tell me after how much position it is confirmed that F2 are short in market?
1 lakh.
Yes, great. That's very clear that after, if they have position minus 1 lakh, more than minus 1 lakh, that is minus 1 lakh 10,000 minus, 1 lakh 20,000 minus, 1 lakh 40,000 minus, 1 lakh 50,000 minus, then it is clear that they are short in markets. Thank you, Sabri Thampidi. And above 40,000, they are sell bias. Above minus 40,000, they are sell bias. Okay, 40 minus matlab minus 45,000, minus 50,000, minus 50,000, minus 45,000, minus 60,000, they are sell bias. Okay, in sell bias, what happened? Markets do to and fro. It doesn't go straight up or doesn't go straight down. So what happened? Market will do to and fro. You can see rally of Nifty by 80 points, 90 points, then again coming down, then again going up to 200 points, 150 points, then again coming down. Okay.
This you see from the table which you are displaying right now?
Yeah. So
okay.
I will just show you. Yeah. So I'm just first clarifying the concept, then I will show you the table. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what happens? So that is what happens with the barometer. This is our experience. Now this has happened 70 to 80% of the time with the market. Okay. Now let us show you that what I was speaking, that what happened. So we'll just go. So this is F2. So if we scroll down slowly, gradually, you can see, if you see in March expiry, in fact, in February expiry also, what happened from 3rd of February, 12th of March, what happened? F2 had 1 lakh shell contract where market was 15,000. Okay. And it kept his 15,030 and it's kept it, say 1 lakh more than minus 1 lakh contract intact. What happened to market? Market came down to 14,500. Okay. So you can see till F2 was 1 lakh contract negative, markets were not ready to give up. They were going down and down and down. Now what happened when the March, this new expiry started, April expiry? Okay, they squared off little bit, but they carried 87,000 contract negative. On this day, on 31st of March, they again created short position. Then again, they have this 1 lakh, they have 70,000. And so what was the market position? It was 16,000, 14,600, 14,800. So they were not decided. So till minus 1 lakh to 40,000, see, markets were doing all to and fro. That is what I was talking. 14,500, 14,600, 14,800, 14,800, then 14,300. So there was a too much to and fro. And in the middle, they created short position and market again went down. But on 13th of April, they squared off all of their position and they again lowered down their short position. And they stayed with only 50,000 contracts. So friends, 50,000 contract means now they are not bearish in the market. They are now okay in the market. They are just hedging their position, which they have in cash. Okay. Now, why do they always have sell position in Pro? Generally, they have sell position in Pro to hedge their cash position. Okay. If they feel that market will be dicey, market may fall anytime, agar issue hai, then what will they do? They will have 40,000, 50,000 contracts sell and they will hedge their cash position. So what happens? You can see that they were not sold by more than 1 lakh contract and market were 4,000, 14,500. It went down and up by 200-300 points. And in April expiry, they, if you see from here, 18,000 contract, 14,300, then 14,600, 800, and they keep on their position intact with minimal negative for hedging their position. So it gave us a clear understanding that okay, F2 is not much does not have much sell position more than 1 lakh. So it somehow clear that market should go up. So this is one area. Now, what happened in the middle? This area. Is area mein kya hua? This was the we've experienced it earlier also, but this time it was in a COVID kind of scenario. So what happened? Pro are the local people, local understanding. So F2 has sell position of 58,000. Now let us start from here. So if you see for May expiry, the negative is 34,000, which is nothing. F2, that means F2 is buy in the market. Pro is minus 5,300. That is clear that total market is in buy trend. The price is 14,800. But what happened next day? F2 does not increase sell position significantly, but Pro increased. Again, they maintained it and they blasted the sell position. And what happened? It took market down by 200 points. There, the confidence of normal investors and in fact everyone shook. Okay, why? Because Pro has created such a huge position. Now this situation become very dicey, and this created an expectation that F2 may create a sell position next day. But as we said, ki F2 are the market. They are the market makers. They provide direction to the market. What happened? They didn't, and Pro need to square up their position, and again market turned into green. So this is how the F2 and Pro data has worked again for market. However, because we were also very worried because there was so much of COVID cases which was rising day by day. There was oxygen supply issue and all. So all this pressure created on the market. So somehow we also not able to give you a buy call exactly. But but the data, anybody who have holded with the data was clearly a buy, and it kept on doing it. So did you understand, friend, any query that we discussed just now? Anybody did monitor this, that what happened? Pro created sell position. As Rupali ji has clearly said that whenever this thing happened, that F2 doesn't have significant sell position, and it is normal sell position, and if pro created insignificant, highly significant sell position, the sell of the market will stay only for 1 or 2 days, and the chances are very high that market will rebound. And that is what happened in last 4 to 5 days. Any query on this, friend? Did you understand this? It is very important, friend, because this is a speculative kind of thing. So yes, because speculation mein kya hai ki you do not get second chance. If you exit, you exit. If you have holded the position, you can hold. So we all need to understand this table very well. अगर हम लोग भी कुछ मिस कर जाते हैं, then we do not have second option to enter or exit.
Vikas ji,
हाँ जी.
Venkat here.
Yes.
Venkat here, sir. And
Yes.
I just saw that the Nifty option call was given. Why not
Exactly.
the future was not given? Sorry, I joined
Exactly.
late.
No issue, sir. So the point is why we have given only option call, not futures call, because really we were very confused, because there was so much issue. It was basically a issue in the market which were happening, and so we thought of not giving futures call because it may be very risky. See what happened when you push a buy call at this kind of scenario where there's so much of news coming in and coming in on all. So what happened? The creating buy call. अगर हम लोग के पास sell call create होता, अगर market would have created sell call, then we would have given sell call in futures as well as an option. But ऐसे scenario में, ऐसे environment में, when there is so much of stress, market, and if you remember, market was every day opening gap down, gap up by 100 points, gap down by 200 points. So that is the reason to so that our customer may not face this problem of gap up, gap down. We thought of not giving option, sorry, futures call, so that आप दिए सौदा, आपका ट्रेड अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है, क्या बोलते हैं, स्ट्रेटेजी अच्छी है, डेटा इज शोइंग यू बाय, बट with the gap down, now what happened, like what we have thought and what we've experienced in earlier cases also, like say for example, market closed at 14,300, and suppose we push call at 14,300. Now see how F2 become right even going wrong. So say for example, you entered at buy position looking at F2's data at 14,300, okay, and say for example, so you carried over your position. Next day, market will open gap down by 200 points at 14,100. Okay, and from 14,100, market will continue to rally till 14,350. Ultimately, F2 make money, but because we are general investor, retail investor, looking at 200 points gap down, are we going to survive, friends? What do you say? Will we be able to survive? So that is the reason, because of this scenario which were in the market, which were prevailing in the market. So we thought of not giving futures call and to only give options call, so that if anything happen, you may lose 10 rupees, 15 rupees maximum, not much, because it's a hedge position. So
Can
that
I
is
ask
the,
a question?
yes.
Can you show the screen again?
Yeah, who is this? Puneet ji.
Ajay Goyal.
Yeah.
Ajay Goyal.
Ajay ji. Okay, yeah, Ajay ji.
Can you show the data?
Yes,
Yeah.
data.
Now
Yeah.
my query is that
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you gave the first call on 30th April,
Yeah.
and after that
And we exited on this day because Pro has created such a huge position. So we did not wanted you to get trapped in the, if anything bad happened in the market, if there is a big gap down or any kind of scenarios there. Let me show you the call, exactly what call was given. Did you understand, Goyal ji?
But Vikas ji, there was 2 option calls given, right? There was one option call and there was an exit, and then there was another option call.
Yeah, I think let me open the strat thing. Let me open the strategy. I think one we booked on. Let me see. Let me see. In fact, I forgot all. Only option call. Yeah. Yes.
So earlier was also bullish call,
Yeah.
which and fresh was again the bullish call.
Yes. Yes.
So the call was given on 30th
Yes.
April,
Yes.
and you gave the exit call on 4th.
Correct.
But the data was available on the only in the evening of the 4th. This huge
Yes.
data. So how
Yes.
you gave the call in the mid
Because
of the
what
day?
happened? Because what happened? They have created. They have continued to stay the sell position on third also.
Okay.
So, and markets were again going down from its high. So we were sure that the data today will also come as negative. And we
But again, yeah.
And we
Again
were-
on 5th you gave the bullish call, but the data was minus
Exactly.
2 lakh.
yes,
That is the confusion.
again we gave on
5th.
fifth. So data became
Really?
clear, na?
The data came in the evening. We gave the call in the afternoon.
Yeah. Because what happens, we also monitor intraday open interest. So from
Okay.
there we just managed to decide that what is happening in the market.
All right. So live data, from live data you gave that call.
Yeah, generally, but we try to give EOD only. We do not give live. But we see the most important understanding is F2 for us, because we keep on giving you buy call because F2 has a insignificant sell position in the market. It shows that F2 is clearly buy in the market. Only pro is local brokers are little bit worried about the scenario of market because of lockdown. You must have heard most of the people are thinking that on 15th of May there can be a lockdown of thing. So pro is only playing, but otherwise F2 is clearly showing that they are neutral. They are not sell in the market. Did you understand, sir? Yeah. So this is how. So I would request everyone to read this data because see, बोलते ना कि ये जो data है ना, ये बहुत सारी story बता रहा है. It is revealing too many things of the market. You can understand. I don't know how much you all guys, how much you guys are giving weightage to this report or not. But this is a very powerful report available on value stocks right now, because it has position of big player and second big player and the losers, like normal clients, those who lose in the market. So ये जो data है, ये बहुत ही powerful data है, and it would have too many interpretation. So you can study how we are teaching you, but you can take trade according to your understanding also. Looking at this data, if you can find out something great of it data, like barometer, that okay, there's a buy bias, still if value stocks is not giving any call, can we do that or not, depending on your risk appetite. Okay, you can create option spreads as we have created. Yes, so this is one. So any query on this data? Okay, so now, so now everybody knows why open interest data works so beautifully, or why do we only take can you tell me what do we take option and futures both data, or we only take options data? Anybody in the group would you like to know something about open interest data, that how it what is the logic behind open interest data and all?
Definitely, obviously.
Okay, great. I think we have discussed it several times. So yeah, option only. Thank you, Ajay Goyal ji. Anybody else?
Yes,
What
option
you got?
only.
Option only. Thank you.
Options
Why
and futures.
options? Why options? Can anybody tell why options? Why options? Okay, UNA Enclave doesn't know. Okay, no issue, sir. We will tell you.
It's the largest turnover.
Yes. Okay, great. I will briefly tell you
Both
why-
options and futures.
both options and future. No, wrong answer, sir. So we only look at options data. Now I will tell you why options data, why not future data, why only options data. Okay, I hope most of you must have known, but few of you doesn't know this. So I will let you know. Yeah. So friends, I will take you in the history, and you can see. So this is the data which I have taken from nscindia.com. Okay, they have
You-
this.
Excuse me, you have told it repeatedly. Can you tell something new this time?
Yes, who is this?
Puneet,
Yeah, Puniji, you please will request you. I will be very fast in saying this. I can
Okay.
understand this is repetitive,
yes,
but few people have joined, so we need to serve.
fine.
Please
Check it.
pardon, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
thank you, sir. Thank you, Puniji. Thank you very much. So, friend, now for them who doesn't know this, for them that in 2008, now we first of all we only use option data. We do not use future data. आज के दिन future में these are the contracts which are tradable. Okay, so many crores. So you can see there is 61 times option market is bigger than future market today in 2020-21 scenario, and in 2008 it was equivalent. That same amount of contracts were traded in futures, and same amount of contract were traded in options. It was equal, 1:1. But today option market is 61 times greater. Now, why did this happen? As yes, we have already discussed this. So there was a STT, security transaction tax, which was imposed. So what happened on full contract value? So the contract value of Nifty is somewhere around 8 lakh, 9 lakh. So the STT will be charged on 8 lakh, 9 lakh. So if you are buying futures, so what happened? You need to pay that STT. But for options, you only need to pay STT for the premium you are buying. So the premium you are buying 100 rupees premium, so you need to pay for 100 rupees STT. So what happened? So the big players, because they do trade in bulk, to save their taxes, they shifted their volume from futures to options. So this is how option has. So what happened now? We were trying this study that okay, there is such a big data available in options. Of Nifty in market in NSE India. So can we take out some direction from that? So what we did, so we studied that and we found that yes, we can find out that direction, but future was not giving us that direction. Whenever they were long in futures, market used to fall. Whenever they were short in futures, market used to rises. Now there was not clear direction we were getting from futures. So we used futures and option both. Then we started becoming right by 20-30%. Now what happened? Still we were struggling with that. After that, when we left futures totally, after getting this understanding that okay, the option market is bigger than future, so there will be no significant there will not have significant impact on market for future investment. So what we did, we came to options totally, and now options is also giving us 60 to 65%, 70% of the direction of the market, not 100%. Right? Then we added some. So okay, is it okay to only look at options data? Is it
Obviously no.
So who said this? Yeah, Puniti. So what else you want to see and why?
As you said, we are looking into FI data, cash data.
No, not required. FI data,
We
cash
must
data not
also
required.
look. We must also look for the cash market.
Exactly.
Cash drives
Cash
the
market.
Cash market. What is that cash market I'm talking about? It's not about the cash F2 buying and selling. Why? Because these are for long term. Okay, जब आप derivative में काम करते हैं, your outlook is for how many days or years? or months?
3 months,
It's for 1 month.
1
Okay?
month,
We do not buy for calendar year, so
Ah.
calendar months. So it's for 1 month.
1 month.
So anybody who is doing speculation, and actually let me tell you this really, that I have found so many traders who are intraday trader and is promoting F2 cash buying and selling. It is like in fact I used to do that. Let confess that, oh, F2 has sold heavily in cash market today, market should go down. Arey boss, they have this position from 20 years and now that 20-year position they are selling today, so market will have no impact. And exactly that happened. That used to happen, that market used to show no impact of their selling of 1,000 crore shares or 2,000 crore share. So there would have been no impact because the outlook was longer period. They have sold 20 years of their holding today, so there is no issue. There is no immediate impact on the market. They have bought 100 crores. They have bought this for next 20 years, 5 years, 15 years. So it will have no impact. So cash market buying, selling has no impact as far as we understood, as far as our study says. Now, as I said you, this is speculative market. People may have different study research. They can come up with that. So whatever we have studied, it has no impact on market. Okay, for immediate movement, 1 month, 15 days, 10 days, or intraday mein to bhai kabhi nahi hai. So now, what next? So friend, now cash market, by cash market we mean, so what happens? See, when you are speculating, जब आप speculate करते हैं, छोटी सी छोटी चीजें भी it create an impact. ठीक है? Because so what happened now, यहाँ role play करता है. What are the four participants? Anybody can say that? Who are the 4 participants?
FIIs,
Okay.
EIIs, pros, and clients,
And
retailers.
we have only spoken about FII, pro and client. What do you think? हमारे इंडिया के जो ये हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, D2s हैं, म्यूचुअल फंड्स हैं, उनका कोई इम्पैक्ट नहीं है मार्केट में. What do you think, friends?
They have impact.
They have huge impact. But because, so friends, mutual funds are buy only strategies. Let me tell this
Yes.
again to you. Mutual fund is a buy only strategy. So F2 can trigger buy and sell both. But mutual fund only trigger buy. And when they trigger this buy, they take market up like anything. Let me tell this again to you. Those who are, I hope few of you are trading in Nifty over here, who all are, apart from our strategies and all, who all are regularly trading in Nifty.
I am trading in Nifty.
Okay, Rajesh ji is trading in Nifty. Anybody
Me.
else?
Me.
Okay, Puneet ji is trading in Nifty. So friends, let me tell you, speculative market के साथ साथ delivery market का analysis भी बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है. It's very important to have understanding of delivery market. Now, which is that index that gives you delivery market understanding? Can anybody tell me that?
Small
Which
cap
is
index.
Small cap
and mid
Mid
cap.
cap.
Mid cap.
Yes, but it's more of a small cap. Okay, because why? Let me tell you more frankly. Mid cap, mein there are good because we are also doing equity analysis, so we know that in mid cap, out of 150 stocks, there are 45-50 stocks that has quality. That means 30%. ठीक है, 30% उसमें quality है, और 20-30 stocks हैं which are not of bad quality, neither are good quality stocks. Okay, so now what happens? Because there is mix of quality, so mid cap का direction उतना clearly नहीं भी मिलता है, लेकिन small cap. Now what happened? अगर कोई कचरा बाजार भी चलेगा, like जिसमें कुछ जिसका कोई quality बहुत high नहीं है, if that particular stocks also goes up, market तो ऊपर जाना ही है. Did you understand this, friend? Please understand this very carefully. Why small cap? Small cap only has, mid cap has 30-40% quality stocks. but out of 1300 small cap stocks, only 10%, only 10 or 100 small cap 100 में only 10% ही stocks अच्छे हैं, 10 से 15 stocks ही अच्छे हैं. Okay, while in mid cap, out of 150, there are 70-80 stocks are good. कुछ moderate quality हैं, कुछ great quality. So अगर आपका बाजार, अगर नॉन क्वालिटी स्टॉक्स भी अगर चलने लगे, जो कि अभी हो रहा है, अभी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, व्हाई मार्केट इज सो बुलिश, बिकॉज एवरी टॉम डिक एंड हैरी इज गोइंग अप, ऑल दी स्टॉक्स आर गोइंग अप. सो सिमिलरली अगर मार्केट में देखना है कि देयर इज अ मार्केट में मूवमेंट, इफ द फोर्स ऑफ बाइंग इज कमिंग, small cap is the best index to understand that. So there is two things, friend. We must have said you earlier also, whenever the net position, now let me tell you, say you this also. So you
How
guys
much
must
the
have,
small cap should rise? How much the small cap should rise
yeah,
to predict the market?
exactly. So market में, this we call as a cycle turn indicator also. If market goes above previous day high, okay, previous day high or previous day low, previous day low shows the sentiments are weak. Any index, any stocks which is going above, because it's take huge effort to trade above
No
your
voice.
previous day high. Yeah, who said no voice? I think everybody can listen. Please check your mic, sir.
Your voice is coming.
Yeah, thank you very much. So whoever has commented, please yeah, Kumar Swami ji, please check from your end. Yeah, so friends, what I was saying, anytime, so you do not calculate on the basis of how much कि 100 points बढ़ने चाहिए, 200 points बढ़ने चाहिए. There is no point looking at those things. Previous day high, पिछले दिन का high को break करके ऊपर चलना चाहिए. If it is doing that, then yes, it is like small cap has started its rally. Did you understand this, friend? Did you get it? So small cap mein, so with market you also need to look at small cap index. Yeah, Ajay Goyal, let me show you this. So we all know that whenever it is, the barometer is near fear. So if we check this data, it was almost near to the fear, 2,13,000 contract, F2 were only 54,000 and Pro were hugely sold. Okay, and so let us see. Look at small cap. And if we can check for, so let us see this particular day when market was at 14,497 on 4th of May, and on this day, particularly on 6th, it cleared that by going up above previous day high, it cleared that market is bullish on 6th of May, which is on this day, 14,700, where with the close. So any point of time it have gone above previous day high, it has cleared that market now has become positive. And you can all see in last 2 days how market has reacted. Nifty has reacted.
But Vikas ji, there are gaps.
Yeah,
It's
gaps.
not like very gradual.
No. On this day, there was no gap. It went above previous day high.
Yeah, but the following 2 days, I'm talking. Today
Yeah,
and
following
yesterday.
2 days. Yeah, so because it has went, this is what I said. This is also known as cycle turn indicator. So there was a negative outlook, but it converted to positive on this particular day, on 6th of May. So overall, अगर आप देख रहे हैं कि small cap is in green और market sentiment is weak, data Nifty भी नहीं गिर रही है, previous day low नहीं तोड़ रही है और previous day high के ऊपर चलने की कोशिश कर रही है, then it shows that yes, market has somewhere turned and F2 data is also not negative much. So all these things you can create your understanding that market should go up. Like
But it shows only the very short term trend on. Am I right?
very short term.
Trend means trend for 1-2 days or not. It does not show the long term trend.
Which one? Which one?
Small cap index.
No, small cap. See, you first need to see data. In data, you need to see F2. Now, let me ask you query. Let's because otherwise we all will get confused. So, पहले आपको क्या दिखना है? What is the first thing which you need to see?
FII data.
FII data, FII Pro data. In FII Pro data, what is the first thing you need to see?
FII data, whether it is positive or negative.
Yes.
Minus 1 lakh or
minus 1 lakh or less. Okay. Now, and next important thing is whether they have gradually increases their sell position, or this is just they have minus 10,000, minus 20,000, then again minus 10,000, then minus again 20,000, 30,000, or 80,000, they have increased to 1 lakh. Okay. So we need to see the 4-5 days trend also. And Pro data, if Pro is somehow increasing their position, but F2 has kept its position normal, less than 10,000, less than 40,000, less than 1 lakh contract. After that, you need to see the small cap. जब तक small cap गिर रहा है, leave it. Do not go for any buy in market. But as soon as small cap turns positive, it turns green, it goes above its previous day high, then you can create your buy position, otherwise not. Did you understand, friend?
Okay, thank you.
So yes, so what happened, ऐसे small cap आपको बहुत help करे. And if you are creating some positional trend, positional buy or sell position, so small cap becomes very powerful to understand. अगर F2 Pro का data, say for example, F2 is minus 90,000 borderline पे, Pro is minus 70,000, and small cap is breaking its low in intraday. So you do not wait for next day's sell call. You can create sell call today. Are you getting it, friend?
Okay.
So please, you can create, those who are doing swing trading or trading.
Sir, can you repeat again, sir?
Yes, say for example, F2 has created, has sell position of 80,000 contract, sell position. Pro has sell position of 70-80,000 contract. Both are sell, but yes, it is F2 is at borderline of 1 lakh contract. Above 1 lakh contract, we are sure that they are sell. So now whether they will further sell today or not, how can you identify if the small cap today is, so you have data of 70,000 and small cap today is selling going below its previous day low, then sometime you will see we create these kind of calls also. Okay, I need to check, Ajay ji, whether that is available right now or not, because that is whole lot of data crunching. Rishabh, are you there, Rishabh?
Yes.
Rishabh, देखना, if we have that data of कि आपका market F2 is 1 lakh contract से कम sell है, Pro भी almost 70,000 contract से sell है, और इंटरडे में स्मॉल कैप पीएल प्रीवियस डे लो तोड़ दिया और नेक्स्ट दिन फिर बाजार में बहुत जोर से लाया. वैसा है क्या पोजीशन, एक बार देखिए. या आप चार्ट से ही देख ले, फिर बता दे मेरे को डेट, तो आई कैन शो देम. सो इफ पॉसिबल, इफ देयर इज द डेटा, रिसेंट डेटा, तो वी कैन शो. ओके, या.
So sell will be coming same day while looking at small cap index, or the next day?
Sell will see, generally sell will create on next day. Okay, next day भी आपका जब डेटा आया फिर आप क्रिएट करोगे, तब तक गैप डाउन होगा, सब हो चुके होंगे. बट आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट, अगर ऐसा सिनेरियो होता है तो डू नॉट एटलीस्ट कीप फॉर बाय पोजीशन. However, because we are in the market, we try to, because now customers are, because we are training you guys on the data and all, so in fact we get calls from customers. There are few customers who give us call कि सर ये डेटा आपने कैसे लाया, आपने तो ये बताया था, ये हुआ. So generally हम लोग उस समय it becomes very difficult to explain that yes, we are monitoring these things also, that data is borderline negative and small cap is breaking its previous day low, and we are creating this kind of data. So generally we try to give next day only, but sometime if we are very unsure that yes, not sure, if we find that yes, the chances are very high that
But this thing
yeah.
is same case in buy side also, sir.
yes, it's same case in buy side. और buy side में तो राजेश जी, let me say you clearly, F2 till F2 are not minus 1 lakh contract, you can buy at support. You can buy at support. Acha, anybody who have seen our Nifty ladder? Anybody who have
No.
seen our Nifty ladder? Are you following? Those who are trading in Nifty, swing trading or swing trading basically. So are you guys looking at Nifty ladder? Have you seen that?
No, sir. Can you please show?
Yeah, please. So I will also give you trading because this is how the value stocks have started. We have started with this ladder only first. Value stocks started. It was the value stocks earlier name was dynamic levels, और levels के ऊपर ही हम लोगों ने start की थी our technical analysis. This was our this is our created technical analysis, which sir has created this. Just a second, it is opening here. It is a very powerful tool, and sir has also applied for patent in US and UK government. So if you click on stock search and you click on Nifty index, so it's very easy. It's very easy whenever F2 is not heavily short in the market, and so that means you can buy at good correction levels. So friends, if you are swing traders, then 14,416, the immediate support levels become a powerful buying area. So अभी जैसे आपने देखा, so very easy task. आपको क्या करना है? You need to do two things. What are those two things? In fact, if you add these three things to your trading, then you can do justice to your trading, and you will see how gradually you can make good profits in the market. Now see that those who are in the market, those who जो लोग market में नहीं रहते उनके लिए नहीं है ये, जो markets में ही ज़्यादा time देते हैं, who devote their time to the market, for them I'm saying this. So you can see that F2 has no significant position in sell side. Almost on 5th of March you are confirmed, on 5th of May you are confirmed that F2 has no sell position. So now at which level you should buy? You can buy at 14,416 till F2 is not short more than 1 lakh contract. Anytime you can buy Nifty at 14,416. It is a good area to buy, very good area to buy. Did you understand, friends? आप लोगों को समझ में आया ये?
Yes.
Yeah, Ajay Goyal, thank you. ठीक है, so जब तक F2 सेल नहीं है मार्केट में, आपको इस सपोर्ट पे बाई करना है, ठीक है? Now, because F2 अगर बाई हो जाए तो क्या करना है? Are we need to see only the data, मार्केट का प्राइसेस देखना है? No, friends, we can do one thing. With a strict stop loss, we can add daily data and we can buy at these levels. हम लोग यहाँ पे buy कर सकते हैं, but this would be a risky नहीं होगा because F2 is clearly buy in the market, so we do not need to worry. But yes, you can buy at 14,611. So anytime market coming to this area is an opportunity. Now, what is the second thing you need to see is, which is very important, at the same time, because you don't know what is happening intraday in the market, whether F2 जो हम लोगों को कहीं ना कहीं ऑप्शन चेंज से पता चल जाता है, तो आप लोगों को पता नहीं चलता. If you are doing it individually, तो you also look at small cap, whether small cap is breaking its PDL and all. अगर वो PDL तोड़ रहा है, then don't go for this support buy. But weekly and monthly levels are very powerful. Now एक बात और आप लोगों को बता दूं. Yes अजय जी, you can use, लेकिन आप कब यूज करेंगे अजय जी? आप ही को बताना है. आप शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, कब शॉर्ट करने के लिए यूज करना है अजय जी? If you can unmute yourself and say. so that I will be understood that I have not given wrong teaching. Ajay ji, when will you?
Yes,
when will
when
you-
when the resistance, the next resistance level is there.
No, wrong, sir. Anybody, when will you use this data for sell?
And small cap index broke the previous low.
Wrong. Anybody else? Last try. This is a clear-cut hint what you should do.
जब FII सेल करेंगे positions.
Yes, thank you, Rupali ji. If FII has sell position, FII has sell position of 1 lakh contract, then you are clear that market will go down, and you can easily use this resistance data to sell in the market. Until unless, और ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में एक क्वेरी होगी कि अगर FII का पोजीशन तो सेल रहेगा तो मार्केट तो नीचे रहेगा, ऊपर नहीं रहेगा. नो फ्रेंड्स, आप देख सकते हैं. This was the scenario. Let me show you. जब आप देखेंगे when in the month of February 2020, ठीक है. So they kept on their sell position. ठीक है, मार्केट्स नीचे जाती रही, लेकिन फिर मार्केट्स इंट्राडे में ऊपर भी आई थी. प्रीवियस डे हाई पे, प्रीवियस मंथ हाई पे, प्रीवियस वीक हाई पे भी आई थी बाजार, एंड देन अगेन इट फॉल. सो जिस समय ये लोग 1 लाख कॉन्ट्रैक्ट नेगेटिव रहेंगे, you just keep in one thing in mind, okay, I will not buy and I will only sell in resistance. And what is the area for sell? These are the area. Okay, so abhi kya, anybody who will sell at 15,044? कोई बेचेगा क्या? We have 20 people right now. Anybody will sell at 15,044?
No way.
No,
No way.
no, because there is no minus lakh 1 lakh.
Exactly. Thank you, Ajay ji. Thank you, everyone. Because see, after these teachings, interpretation is very important, friend. Okay.
Because see, but this is spot resistance, right? Not the future.
Yes, not futures. And spot is only that works in the market. Future doesn't work. Okay. So, okay, friends. So, ye ladder is a very powerful. Now, this ladder has been made with very logic that market cup, and you can see this 14,116. If you come to Nifty, you can see this on charts also. So those who doesn't know how to read charts, they can easily use this ladder to. So you can see this low 14,116. Now you can also see that how market reversed from this area last week also. आप देख सकते हैं earlier week low was 14,421 and last week low was 14,000. So this is how these levels work. ये पहले भी work कर चुके हैं. You can see this is worked. So ये पहले भी work कर चुके हैं और future में भी work करते हैं. And if you use this ladder with data, you can do wonder in your trading. Your trading skill will go beyond imagination.
So just keep an alert in these levels and forget. This is going to give us.
Yes. No,
Yeah.
not levels. Again, Venkatji, I'm again telling you, not levels. ये संगम है. गंगा जमुना सरस्वती बोलते हैं ना, it's a kind of that. First you need to see गंगा पहले, तो first you need to see F2. Then Jamuna is what? Jamuna is level ladders, and third is small cap. If these three things are working, then yes, you can execute your trade. Okay. What is the meaning of 1 week? And okay, let me show you. So if you can see that 1 week का मतलब हुआ कि previous week, ये week, last week का क्या low था, and current M0 means current month low was 14,118. So M0 means current month, and week 1 means previous month, week 3 means previous to previous month. So these are support of the market. These are major support of the market. Okay. And if you find weekly and monthly levels together, okay, it is an ultimate area to buy and all. Okay. Week 5 is 12,962. So Nifty is at very good support area. You can see all the support area has weekly and monthly level together. Okay.
So उतना तोड़ना आसान नहीं है. These
Senthil
levels.
Kumarji, yes. Senthil Kumarji, I just explained. Let me explain once again. Senthil Kumarji. Anybody would like to explain Senthil Kumarji? What is this ladder and how to use it? Anybody in the group?
Yes, yes. I will
Yeah,
explain.
this
Yes.
is the current, from the current level, we can go down and upward, both sides. And downward side is the support and upward side is the resistance.
Perfect.
And this sports level provide the good sport. And the Nifty tries to revert from these levels
From the support level.
and provide the support at the next level.
Perfect. Now, when to use it, sir? When to use it?
Yeah, when FIIs are not are selling heavily, then it can be broken, the sport
Yeah.
level.
Exactly. Thank you.
If till they are not selling heavily, then this level may be maintained.
Exactly.
Sir,
Very
explain about this daily, weekly, and monthly.
follow weekly and monthly, sir. Senthilji, do not follow daily.
Okay.
Daily is for intraday traders and all, which is
Okay.
very risky. And so we have purposely, if you land up to this page, we
Yeah,
have removed daily. We are not giving.
it's optional.
We are
But
not
daily-
tick marking on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
daily you have told that daily can be used only to check the small cap indicator for intraday purpose.
Exactly. Exactly.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
So,
you. Thank you.
so did you got this? So.
Yeah, thank you.
So this is all, friend. So did we learn something today? Anything else? Any query on anything on Nifty or something like that, friend?
So we should use weekly data in positional buy. You
Position
also-
buy, correct. Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, Puneetji. Yes.
Okay, okay. And
But
the daily
Puneetji, as I
data.
said you again, sorry, I know you must be knowing that, but I'm repeating this again. You should only see weekly or monthly support or resistance after you have seen F2 and Pro data.
Okay.
Okay, do not follow this blindly कि support पे आ गया तो support ही होगा.
Okay.
Support पे होगा अगर F2 sell नहीं है. If
Okay.
F2 is not 1 lakh contract sell, F2 is not 1 lakh contract sell, and Pro is minimal sell by 50-60 contract, 50-60,000 contract, no issue. 50-60,000 contract. Let me tell you the thing. F2 is sell by 50-60 contract, 50-60,000 contract. Pro is sold by 50-60,000 contract, no issue. If market is coming at support, if you're getting a support level of Nifty, you can go for buy.
Okay.
Okay.
So one thing we want to know more that on expiry days we get to see huge amount of volatility. So can you tell something how to trade on that day particularly and on expiry days?
On expiry days,
Yes.
it's very difficult, Puneet Asthanaji, of explaining about expiry days because yes, as you correctly said, expiry days are really very volatile. But again, for expiry days also, let me tell you this, that you will be, let me show you the data. So if data of F2 and Pro are not very significant, then expiry should be less volatile. This is what you can judge from F2 and Pro data. Are you getting me, friend?
That data should be before the day of expiry.
Yes, before the day of expiry.
Okay.
ठीक है. अगर वो data बहुत ज़्यादा है, if there is huge data, then there will be a huge volatility. Otherwise, the chance, there is nothing 100% first of all, but there's a chance that market will be less volatile. But if the data is huge, okay, because they need to square off their data. So if the data is huge, then you can see huge volatility in the market.
Okay.
और फिर उसके ऊपर भी एक बात है कि if F2 is not short by more than 1 lakh contract, then the chances are higher कि markets upward bias के संग ही रहें. So that is what you can take understanding of this. We have already explained, Tribhuvanji. If you will request you to see a recording of the starting of the webinar. Okay. Yeah,
Where will we get the recording?
I think you can ask Prateek and you can get the recording.
Okay.
Anything else, friend?
विकास जी,
हाँ जी,
ये अभी ये जो अभी लेटेस्ट डेटा आप दिखा रहे हैं, इसमें FII is about 45,000 minus 45,000, right?
correct.
And the support जो आ रहा है वो आ रहा है 14,600 weekly
Support जो
support.
आ रहा है, no, weekly support is coming at 14,416.
416. Okay, 14,416. Yeah, but
Correct.
now for the Nifty to come down to 14,416 to be able to buy at that level, by that time the data of the FIIs would have gone up to minus 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh. Then only it will come down here. Otherwise, how this level will never come.
No. See, yes, this level may come. This is what I explained earlier also. See, if F2 is not giving any direction to the market, who is the other person who can individually give
Pro.
direction to the market?
Pro.
So
Yeah,
say for
Pro,
example,
Pro.
if Pro somehow, this is what happened exactly 2 days ago. That what happened? F2 was nil. They were neutral in the market. They had this 54,000 contract sell position, not much, and they were sitting idle in the market. But what did Pro did? It created short position and given bhuchal to the market and bring down market to 14,400. Okay, ये तो close है.
That's a rare occasion.
Yes, rare occasion, and you make 200-300 points. So rarely you will make 300 points. How will you make 300 points daily?
Okay.
Now, so
Can
that
I
is-
ask one question?
Yes, sir.
Question is regarding the call which was given.
Yes,
In fact, the earlier call which was given and was exited on 4th May.
yes,
But anyhow, I could not exit because I did not see that message.
perfect.
And next day when I saw the message that I have to buy the fresh call, I saw the both messages simultaneously. So what happened? I did not square off the earlier call.
Perfect.
And I kept that call only. I did not take the fresh position because both were the bullish calls.
Yes,
So
correct.
is it okay?
Yes,
Because-
it's okay, sir. It's okay. See, why did we exited? हम लोग को exit करने का reason क्या था? Our exit reason was only one reason, that we thought that markets इतने volatile हो रहे हैं. There is so much of news spreading in, और फिर election का results भी था West Bengal का and all. So we thought that at no point markets ऊपर ही जाना है. But there is no point of seeing that gap down of 200-300 points.
That is
We
okay.
exit. Yeah. So yes,
Now
you can.
I have one suggestion.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you give these calls,
Yeah.
though almost I think every person can understand whether it is a bearish call or bullish call. But
Okay.
there may be few new persons, so that if you write the which is a
Okay, we'll do
bearish
that.
call, yeah.
It's a great idea. Earlier we used to give that it is a bullish spread. So we will give that. Okay, sir,
Bullish
sure.
nature or a bearish nature, that's the.
Yeah, we'll give that. We'll
Yeah.
give that. Okay, sir.
Thank
Sure.
you. Thank
Sure.
you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. It's a very good suggestion.
Sir, Vikas ji, one more thing.
Yes, sir.
I happen to know that the Nifty webinar only today it is going to happen, because now what happened earlier, you used to post it in the value stock thing, the upcoming training, right? See, sometimes
Okay.
what happened now, I'm looking in the different time zones, and also, we have several meetings. Obviously,
that's
this
right.
is something very important to me. So,
Okay.
is my suggestion, please, so
Yes,
that
yes.
not like a surprise to me.
No, it will not be a surprise. Actually, what happened? There was some issue. We are also struggling because of the COVID scenario. So the manpower is very less. So we are very sorry, but we have made a scheduler, and you will get this scheduler on the website and app in maximum tomorrow, maximum by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So
No, sir, in the worst case, I understand that. In the worst case, what's the best thing you can do it is that please inform us one day in advance that tomorrow it's going to be, so that I at least I'll be prepared.
we have already made the scheduler, so and that scheduler will maintain that scheduler, and will.
Because I see my mails, I see my Telegram.
We don't require, so now we will do it through that one.
Because I happened to check accidentally with Pratik, and I was just telling that the Nifty webinar is going on. Then I had to
Okay,
come
we'll
and
do that.
rush.
We'll do that, sir. We will do that. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you for the appreciation. So, friend, did you like the session? And I'm very thankful that you guys have joined today. Thank you very much for joining this webinar.
Viratji, can you provide the Pratik's number? How to contact?
Yeah. So very easy, very easy. Pratik is very famous now. You can see his number on website only. So I'm copying this and sending you.
Okay.
Chat. So
Okay.
yeah.
Vikas,
Yes. Yes.
this is Mahesh.
Yes, Mahesh ji.
In fact, I just wanted to understand what is the rationale behind this strategy like 14,000, 14,200, when the market is in 14,800. How do you like, what is the rationale behind choosing this 14,000 instead of like 14,500?
Okay. Okay.
How do
good.
you arrive to this number?
Yes. Very good query, sir. Let me tell you this also. So, do you understand ATR, sir? Average to move range. I will explain you.
No,
Okay, no issue.
this is my first seminar, in fact.
No issue, sir. So, what is happening?
Where do you go and get this ATR?
Yeah, on investing, if you type ATR on indicator, you will get this ATR.
Investing.com.
Yeah. Okay.
Average true range.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay. So now what happened? What is average to range? We also call it as an average daily movement. So average daily movement of Nifty is 227 points. You can see with this red mark.
Okay.
ठीक है? तो जब भी whenever we are creating any call, any trade, like sell call or buy call.
Okay.
The logic says that how do I explain you? The logic says that अगर वो अपना average to range के ऊपर चला गया नीचे चला गया, if the call goes beyond his average to range, say for example I have given at 14,000 rupees, I have given you sell call.
Yeah.
It should not go above 14,200, which is its average to range. Are you getting it, sir? No. Let me again, I'm explaining you again. Average daily movement of Nifty is how much? 200 points.
Roughly 200 points.
200 points is 227 points. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I'm giving you call at lowest level, say for example, market is falling today, drastically falling.
What is that level you are choosing? 14,400 or
I'm
spot?
14,000 spot. Okay. And market is at lowest level of 14,000. So what is the maximum it can go up looking at ATR? What is that maximum it can go up if I'm giving you sell call? बाजार अभी 14,000 चल रहा है, market is at 14,000.
Okay.
I'm giving you a sell call on that particular day. What is the maximum it can go up today?
225 or 250
Exactly.
points.
Maximum it can go.
Yeah.
Okay. That means maximum. अगर ऐसा भी हुआ कभी, तो my call will be active. Are you understanding?
Okay.
My data is sell. Now I have given call. I don't know how much ऊपर ये जा सकता है, how much maximum it can make me wrong. Intraday only.
Okay.
So that is why looking at.
Can I add something?
Yes, please.
I think ATR 14 is being used and it is the average of the 14 days.
Exactly.
So basically it is used as a stop loss.
Exactly.
Now, yeah, 14,400 is the sell call. Then if 200 is the ATR, then 14,200 is the basically stop loss.
Exactly.
Thank you.
100% right. So we are using this as a stop loss. That okay, 200. So market should not go against my call by more than 200. So that is the optimism we have while giving a call.
Because
Yes.
just I have in this point a question. If I see the very recent calls, right, very recent future calls I'm talking about, I've seen that if you see the drawdown, most of the times it has breached the ATR.
Exactly.
Then
Wow.
if I am using a stop loss, You mean to say most of the times I might have made a losses, right?
Exactly. So because sir, that is why we have not given future call, because you can see these gaps I used to see in Hong Kong market, जो अब इंडिया में होने लगा. You can see this. See, आप क्या बोलोगे? F2 was clearly buy in this place. You see, क्या F2 wrong हुआ? Wrong नहीं हुआ. Why? Because the market still up, but you see this gap downs. 14,550, same market opened at 14,375, and in 3-4 days it took it up. Ultimately, if F2 has bought at any price, he would have made it, but general customer will have so much of issue. So because market has become so volatile, so gap up, gap down, which is creating problem for the customer.
Sir, so when you are giving an exit, right? So it may so happen that many times you also give an exit for the future also. Exit, it has happened in the recent months.
Yes.
So is that you give an exit call whenever it breaches the ATR?
Yes, breaches the ATR. See, ATR is just for generating call, not for exiting. The exiting is small cap data, then only we exit. So we do not follow these things for exiting or call or something.
So it
See,
means that sometimes we can even hold, even though it's breaching the ATR, still like example, because you show that as positive.
yes,
Otherwise, no, I
you
should take
can.
it as exit.
No,
Sir,
you can, no issue, sir. You can. Till
I
see,
can hold it.
let me tell you this again, sir. Till your data is in your favor. Now it's your risk appetite. So talking this thing on this platform will be very difficult, because some may have only 150 points as a risk appetite. There is one client whom I spoke a month ago, to whom I was talking. So he clearly said, sir, you tell me I will only can see 100 points as a Nifty stop loss. So I said, sir, no issue. Out of 100 calls, our 70 calls are right, but for you only 60 calls will be right, because more 10 calls, because we have certain calls, 10 calls, which shows a drawdown of 100 points, more than 100 points, and then they recover. So he said, I'm okay with that. I will work for 60%. I will give away more 10% of my profits and will go for 60%. So that is because this is speculative thing. हम लोग बहुत ट्राई करते हैं कि कितना भी मिनिमल लॉस में हम लोग क्लाइंट्स को निकल जाएं, जब डेटा नहीं भी बोलता निकलने के लिए. जैसे रिसेंटली आई गॉट कॉल फ्रॉम वन कस्टमर, ही सेड कि सर बट डेटा तो बेटर था, व्हाई डिड यू एग्जिटेड, F2 वाज क्लियरली नॉट सेल. But yes, we were on the fear. We were very fearful that, oh my God, if a gap down happens, then our customer will lose huge money. So we need to go like this. So it's all about your risk appetite. Please understand, while you're trading any kind of futures, you need to have your own risk appetite. We can provide you something, but you need to add your risk appetite to it. Or you follow us, sorry to say that word, you follow us and do not complain. That is what either need to balance about your risk appetite. Then you can't say that, oh, I have lose so much. So if you have lose so much, we have a strategy which will help you in gaining so much. So this month you have lost, but next month this loss, or 2 months, 3 months, your loss will make up and you will make money. So this strategy has been made on that parameters and that strategy.
I follow the first rule, sir. Follow you.
that is what
Don't
you
put-
choice. Yeah.
No, in fact, the last buy call, I made it literally, I know when the drawdown went 350 points, yes, it does give me a pulse, but I was very clear, since there's no sell call from you, I just hold it. In
That
fact,
is the call,
it has-
but that particular person has exited and he was very clear. He asked me, sir, abhi kya karna hai? I said him ki, okay sir, koi issue nahi, you have exited. You do one thing, when the call after fall, agar jaise hi aap 50-60 points ke upar aap wapas se, so he entered again and he made profit. So this is how you can balance yourself.
I
And
have a
with
question.
ladder and all, you can do further. Yes.
Was last question that
Yes.
what is where do you see the market in the coming days with till this expiry?
The answer is with you, sir. Where do you see? I'm showing you the hint. Let me show you the hint.
FIS data, simple.
Yes, very clear, very clear.
FIS and Pro.
Because today F2 and Pro have no significant sell position, so I only see market upside. I don't see market downside until unless this turns negative by 1 lakh contract. Sir, it's very easy now. You can decide your trend every day. Every single day you can decide your trend. और आपको आने वाले समय में ये वो ब्ला 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 लगाना ही नहीं.
Because
Yes, sir. Yes, Mahesh ji.
in fact, my question still you are not answered.
Yes, sir. Please, please.
When the spot Nifty, it was 14,600,
Hmm.
you are giving a call for 14,200 and 14,000 level. So it means 400 points difference.
No, no. We generally give 200 points. Let me open that.
No, no, no. From the spot I am talking.
Yeah.
You have to understand my point. On
Yes.
30th, you are given a call, first call.
Okay.
That time the index was somewhere around 14,631. Let's put it like 600.
On
level.
30th April. Let me check, sir. On 30th April. On 30th April, market was 14,600. Correct.
So you are given the call at what level? Like 14,000 and 14,200 or 14,200 and
Yes.
14,400?
Yeah. This was the call given. 14,200 and 14,400.
This is what the rationale I ask you. How do
Yeah.
you determine this 400 points?
So 400 point is the 1 ATR below the current market price. So you will be making, you will what the optimism is to have this premium in your pocket.
Sir is asking that you usually generate a call through ATR. How you generating the
That is
call?
what I'm
That's
saying.
he's asking.
200 points below the current market price, that is 1 ATR. Okay. And 1 ATR below, we are hedging the position. So this is how we keep for 2 ATR. So market should not go beyond 2 ATR from our call. If it goes below 2 ATR, then we have lost it, whatever. Did you get your answer, sir, Mahesh ji?
Okay. As per that, like 600 was your spot. From there, 200 points you are taking into account. From
Yes,
there, you are giving sell call is
exactly.
14,400.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. But to cover up, again, you are making 200 calls to cover that 14,000.
Exactly. Exactly.
This is the rationale you follow
Yes,
generally.
yes, perfectly fine, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
What
Mahesh.
about future? In case if you give future call,
Yes.
like last month you are given, I have seen, then same kind of ratio you will follow?
No, no, no. For futures, we do not follow any ratio. We only follow data. We do not exit our stop loss at 100 point, 150 points, or 200 or 300 points.
Okay.
We do not follow that. Yeah.
Last April, you are given call for somewhere around 320 points. You are showing it.
Yeah.
So from which we can't derive anything. Like what you are saying is that every month it will keep change.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, thank you, Mahesh. Anything else, friend?
Is there any chances to generate a call from future through ATR? Through ATR.
Through ATR? No, sir. No, we don't have
Only
that.
through FI data, F2 data.
Only F2 data. Yes, correct. Yes.
Because one more question.
Yes.
See, like if 50 points goes up, how many or 10 points goes up? How do you determine that, 1 point if it goes, what is the impact will come into options?
Okay. See what happened in option. The impact you are asking for theta, or you are asking for buying the option?
So generally to understand, one is that delta you are talking time and again.
Yes.
The other one is you are talking about theta.
Yes.
So in that scenario, like today, 100 points went up. Whatever the edging position you made it, will this point go up or down these many points? How do I understand that? 20 points will like, one side will go up, other side 30 points will come down. How do you like get this?
This doesn't have any clear understanding
Okay,
because it's highly dependent on theta,
okay,
and theta, as you know, VIX, which is very volatile. Some day
Okay.
it is 24, India VIX is somewhere 20, someday 24, someday 20, someday 22. But yes, you can slowly, gradually gauge through delta. What is the delta of this particular call which we are giving? If it is 50 paise or 20 paise and 30 paise, then we know the immediate call like 14,400 will melt by 50 paise and that will melt by 20 paise. So the net effect is every day you are getting 20 paise on your position. So this is how you, but you don't know where will the volatility will, how will volatility react. You can see a day when market is hugely up, but your premium will not melt much. You will not make much profit. Why? Because when markets become go up very fast, the volatility also rises, VIX also rises. So even if the price has gone up, you will not find your position to be melting much. And day by day it's melt. So it's very difficult to understand. However, we have some understanding. So maybe next time I will show you how things happens.
In simple language, if 10 points goes up, how many points will it give impact in that options, whether it is buying or selling,
That's
whatever?
what I'm saying. It depends on the delta of the strike price which you have bought. We need to check that also.
So the day goes by, automatically this will like, 10 points will come down, 20 points will.
3 rupees, 1 rupee. Generally, it's 1 rupee, 2 rupees maximum, not much. Taking impact of theta and delta. 2 rupees, 3 rupees. You can see that. If market stays same, it will. I need to open option chain and derivative contracts. Then I can show you.
I thought you will show that.
Yeah. Let me show that also. So if we look at on this data, this strategy, this call, 4,200 and 4,000, for 14,200 and 14,000. Let's look at that.
This is the old site or what?
This is the old site.
Why are you not taking into the new site?
See, I have to navigate that. I have learned the old site, so I can go that, but it will take time. And so on your request, I'm showing you this, but generally we do not. So for that, I have to research market data and all and check out where this and all. So can I continue with the old site?
Can you just tell me the old size? How do you get this? First,
Yeah, very easy. You can come to old site.
Okay.
You come to product, equity derivative,
Okay.
and then come to historical data,
Okay.
and then come to contract wise archives.
Okay. Contract.
Then click on search,
Okay.
and then click on index option.
Okay.
Then select the symbol you want, select the year you want to study for, and select the date. So the last day, Friday, was 7th. So today's data we don't have. So let's take for Thursday's data, 6th. We want for the expiry of monthly expiry. Monthly expiry is for monthly expiry is 28th of May. Sorry, 27th of May. 27th of May. Yeah. Now let me select this call, and let me select for 7 days and 14,200. If we see this, so you can see this, the premium.
Sir, it is put now.
Sorry. Yeah. Very sorry for that. Yeah. So the price is, so let us see first price of Nifty, the benchmark. So on 6th, the price was on 6th price was 14,611. So we are taking 14,724. We are taking from close to close, huh?
Okay.
So 724 and 824. So they made it easy, 100 points jump only. So let us look at. So because market moved 100 points, so from 115, it fell by 84 points. Sorry, it came to 84. So 15 plus 15, that is 30 points. Earlier it was 25. No, not that is no, that will not be correct. So 30 points. So 30%, around 100 rupees jump in price has given movement of 30 points. The premium has gone down by 30 points. Did you get it, sir?
Yeah, 30% roughly.
30%.
Okay.
Okay. Now, as expiry will come closer to closer, this 30% will become 40%. Sometime with VIX, it will become 40%. So that will take its role.
So similarly,
Yeah.
VIX will also give you 1%, 2% weightage, or it's like 1 point it goes up, like say 23 to 24. Then eventually, how many points will it give you 1% up jump?
1% up jump.
I mean, 20, you are saying VIX always. From 23 to 24, the VIX goes.
Mhm.
Then eventually this will come down or it will go up.
It will go up. It will go up. It will go up. Not much, because 3 rupees, it will always go down. 2 to 3 rupees. Generally, I have seen जो premiums होते हैं FAR के, so it generally goes 3 rupees every day. 2 to 3 rupees it goes down every day. Okay, if market is in your favor, market stays at this particular place, like 14,400 पे हमने call दिया, and market stayed at 14,400. Not much it goes up. 2 rupees तो already गिरेगा. But if it price market also goes up, then 2 रुपया के संग और 1 रुपया add हो जाएगा, because market is also going up.
So put में गिरेगा, you mean to say that?
Exactly, yeah. So you can see 14,000 has melted by 24 rupees only.
Okay.
So this is how the thing is. Did you get
because
got your
you-
answer, sir? Yes.
One question. So
Yes.
you mentioned about always the FIA and pro data we will be getting only at the end of the market, correct? So we will not be getting it. So assume that if I am trading tomorrow based on today's data, where I see that they are not gone to the 1 lakh sell, they are in the very border, whatever, 50,000 each, right? On the particular day, then it means that the next day they are not in the sell. So it's in the buy trend only. So there I can use this support levels, this Nifty support, the ladder levels, right?
Yes. Yes.
Right. But sometimes, but that particular day, assume that if the FISR happen to sell, so if I had taken a support level or something like that, then I could, I mean, see, because you will get to know the data only at the end of the day.
Correct.
So I want some tip
with
from
that,
you.
With that I said, you
Yeah.
also need to see the cash market.
Okay.
And see, there's, first of all, let me tell you again and again, there's nothing called 100%. Now,
Correct.
The point is 90%, 80 to 85% of the time, if you are getting at support and small cap has not broken its PDL,
Correct.
then you are okay that yes, F2 is not much sell, and yeah, I'm getting Nifty at support, and small cap is either positive or has not broken its PDL. Then yes, the chances are higher that next day market will.
I got you.
do
So
that.
only thing is in such cases when it reaches to the support level, we must also need to watch the other indices, cash indices, seeing that
Other
what is
only
it.
one cash indices.
Correct. So if that is also going down, that means it could be a sell. So even though it's reaching at the support level, may not be, it's not very favorable. Got it.
Perfect. Correct, sir.
Thank you. Thanks.
Anything else, friend? Any other query, friends? So hope you all have liked the session.
Yes, a lot, sir.
Yeah, session was informative.
So
Or
much.
We
Yeah.
expected another call at least, which is due. I trade because I never like options.
okay.
I
Okay.
on
So
futures.
hope I have not left any queries unanswered.
No, nothing.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, sir,
Thank
it
you very
was
much.
Thanks a
really
lot.
nice session. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
weekend.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Thanks, Vikash, for your query.
Thank you, Maheshji. Thank you. I will check that new site, because we need to see new site की क्या है.
No, sir, I'm too not comfortable with the new site. I'm very comfortable with the old one.
NSE was about to close down the old site, but they are continuing now. So thank you, friends. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay,
Have a
bye.
nice weekend.
Yeah, same.